Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, to understand our question, the program has to accept string yes as the input and swap every two vowels present in yes, and finally the program must print the modified string yes as output. And if the string yes contains odd number of vowels, then we are going to leave the last occurring one. So first we are going to accept string yes and swap every two vowels in present in string yes. And finally the program must print the modified string as output. And if string yes contains odd number of vowels, we are going to leave the last occurring one. So let us consider our first test case. So in this test case environment, so this is string yes, and the vowels present here are E, and then I, and then O, and then E. So here we have four vowels. Now let us swap them, like the modified vowels will be I, E, and the other two vowels will be swapped, that is E, O. So now this will be replaced in the string yes. So first we will have I instead of E, and then we'll have E instead of I, and then instead of O we'll have E, and then instead of E we'll have O. So this is the modified string yes, and this will be the output. Now we'll take our another test case. So here the vowels are O, U, A, and the modified vowels will be O and U will be swapped, and A will be left. So U, O, A, and here instead of O we'll have U, and instead of U we'll have O, and then A will be remain unchanged, so it will be like this, and this will be our output. Now let's see how to solve this program. First we'll get our input, the string yes, and then we are going to have a list called as vowels, which will store the vowels of the string yes. So ch for ch in yes, if ch is a vowel. So we are going to iterate for every character and check whether if the character is a vowel, then it will be stored in this list. Now after this, we are going to swap the two consecutive vowels. So for index in range 0 comma len of vowels minus len of vowels mod 2 comma 2. So here we are iterating from 0 to length of the vowels minus length of vowels mod 2 comma 2. So 2 represents the step value because we are considering two vowels, and here we have subtracted from len of vowels minus len of vowels mod 2 because if the length of vowels is odd, then the last occurring vowel must be left unchanged. So in order to satisfy that condition, we have subtracted to len of vowels mod 2. So here we'll swap the vowels of int comma the vowels of index plus 1. So let me make it as index so that it will be clear. And now the vowels have been swapped. Now this must be inserted to string yes. So for that, for ch in yes, so if the character is vowel, then we are going to print that character as, so print of, so here we'll use the pop, that is vowels dot pop of 0, and use end argument. So this will remove that vowel and print the swapped vowel accordingly. And in the else part, we'll print character and use end argument as it is not a vowel. So if it is a vowel, then the modifications are made, and if it is not a vowel, then it is printed as it is.